I love the community of running. I think running with other people can kind of help push paces, especially in workouts and in races. That's why you go out to race, because you can push each other. You know, now I'm preparing for the 2020 Olympic trials, so I'm excited for that.
We are here because we love this. I love LA and the people, the community, but this is the first time in the LA Marathon. You feel so good. You're thinking about the family, the training process, and also what is your goal, and stay focused on that.
Students Run LA is a running program that helps students to run the LA Marathon. Some are at risk, some are just trying to find a challenging feat to take over, and they are our motivation because they are making the same sacrifices that the adults are making, yet they're younger. And they're showing up with smiles and laughing and just being positive, and you know, they're setting an example for us as well.
Takia mema, wajitahidi. Hiyo nini, watu wa nyumbani, familia yangu wamepata nini, nimesomesha watoto wangu, tumefanya kazi mingi. Kesho natakia ni kufanya mazoezi, kujitahidi kufanya mazoezi.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.